Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to see how to apply false lashes. This is the most requested video of mine, and yeah, so as you can see, my face is really bad. I have nothing on my face except for the liner, and this is how my eye looks after the application of falsies. So I'm a huge lash addict, and if you want to know how to apply falsies, please keep on watching. So here you go guys, you just need a lash glue and a pair of falsies. I'm using Hypnotica, which I got from a local store, and my lash fixer, that is my lash glue, is from the brand Pack. Now please remove the lashes very gently from the packaging because you don't want to disturb the shape of it or tear it by mistake. So please be very gentle when you remove it and wriggle it so that it gets its shape back and it will get accustomed to your eye shape when you want to fix it. Now if your eyes are really small, you may want to cut out the extra from the outer corners. Now I'm applying the glue on the lash band, a thin coat, a little bit of extra on the inner and outer sides of the lash so that the lash stays put. You have to let this lash glue dry for about 30 seconds so that once it gets tacky, you can just fix the lashes on your eyes. So now I'm going to be using my fingers. You can also use a tweezer to do this. I'm going to be first sticking my lashes in the middle, then on the inner corner, then on the outer corner, but usually I just go with the middle portion first. The inner and the outer is just like whichever way you want. Now I'm fixing the outer, as you guys can clearly see. I'm just giving it a nice little press so that everything stays in place. So I'm going to be repeating the same step on my other eyes. Now you can see what difference it makes. You guys can also curl your lashes before you do this step and apply a coat of mascara, but I do not prefer doing so. I'm repeating the same step on my other eye, in the middle, outer and the inner, in this order. Just have to give it a little press so that it sticks on and adjust it. So here you go guys, I have finally attached my lashes. After this step, I'm going to be applying a coat of mascara so that my natural lashes stick well with the artificial lashes and don't look very odd sticking out. So I'm applying a coat of mascara. I'm so sorry for the super zoom. I just wanted you guys to have a clear look. So that's it guys. We've applied the lashes, and I hope you guys liked this video and found it useful. If you have any queries, please do let me know in the comments below. Until next time guys, bye bye.